Hello, I'm Mechelle Lois, a bench jeweler based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I believe some jewelers are intimidated by repair work, but it is a vital skill for any jeweler, and it's essential for troubleshooting your own work or repairing a client's piece. So today, I'm going to show you the most basic and most requested repair: ring sizing. I will show you how to size a ring up and down. 15 with little slash marks. And what this is a sizing gauge. So each slash mark here, each little groove marks off 2.5 millimeter increments, or one ring size. Anneal the band again and pickle it. Ring using either a file or a sanding stick, an assortment of rubber wheels, and then you can, from there, polish the ring to a finish.